5-line plan. 3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to episode 333 of the Shower Podcast, the podcast where I'm in my shower and you do you. I'm your host, Chip, and this is a shorter version of the weekend drop, the already shorter version of the Shower Podcast, where in one episode, I try to give you a simple idea that you can carry into the weekend. Before we start, as usual, if you end up liking this episode, remember that liking and subscribing really mean a lot for me. Just one click, but they really make the difference. Thank you very much for considering it. As I said, given the time constraints, let's just go in. As I just said, because of time constraints, let's go straight in. Today's idea is the 5-line plan. Overplanning kills motion. We all know that. You open a doc to plan tomorrow and suddenly you're architecting a whole system. By the time you're ready, the day has already started without you. A 5-line plan is the antidote. It keeps just enough structure to remove hesitation without creating drag. Think of it like laying out clothes for your day, but in sentences. Here's how it works when you actually do it. Take 1 minute and set the frame for tomorrow. First, name the one big thing that would make tomorrow feel successful if nothing else happened. Keep it concrete, visible, and finishable. Then, give yourself 3 stepping stones you can actually step on. Not concepts, steps. Make them so small they don't require courage to begin. Finally, choose the when and the where you'll start, so your brain doesn't have to solve that puzzle in the morning. That's it. 5 lines. Close the notebook and go live. Why this helps is pretty much straightforward. Your brain hates fog. When do some work is in the plan, any start feels wrong, so you delay. When the path instead it's only 5 lines long, you can see the ground under your feet. You're not stuck choosing between 10 priorities. You're walking toward one through 3 tiny gates at the named time in a named place. It also protects you from the perfection drift. You can add more if you have momentum, but you're never obligated to build a cathedral when all you need was a door. So, here's your weekend drop challenge. Before you sleep tonight, speak tomorrow's 5-line plan out loud as you write it. 1 big thing, 3 more steps, when and where you begin. Put that plan where in the morning you'll see it first. On the keyboard, on the kettle, next to the toothbrush, whatever works for you. When the day starts, don't renegotiate. Just step onto the first stone and let the path do the pulling. That was all for today. Thank you very much for listening. I really enjoy doing this kind of episode, I must admit. I hope that you also like them. If you made it so far, feel free to interact with this content in any way, shape, or form you like by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, whatever works for you. And, as usual, stay consistent, stay resilient. This was the Shower Podcast, and I'll see you tomorrow.